What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Jeez. What's up, y'all? I told y'all I wasn't leaving y'all for long this time. It's been a week already, time to update. So today I got a 2013, I think it's a 2010 or 2013 Cadillac SRX, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the fuel pump. This thing's wild. The fuel pump and sending unit on it. It's fairly simple, really easy, nothing too hard, especially if you have a lift. Can't see me. There you go. Oh, ouch. The first thing that I did, obviously, as you can see, is I've taken the exhaust off. The exhaust is really simple to take off. You got these two 15mm screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. I forget the name of these thingies, but you got 4 of these to take off. You just spray it with some PB Blaster or some kind of lubricant. They slip right off. And this is where they go at. One, that one goes there. Another, ouch. Another one goes right here. There's another one over here somewhere, oh, right there. Another one goes right there. And then your last two right here and right there for the muffler. So after you got those 2 done, those 5 done, you got 2 screws up here. 1, 2. They're both 15mm screws. 2 15 mils. You take those 2 down. I've already unloosened mine. I've actually already done this. I'm just showing you guys how to do it. There's your 2 straps that hold the whole gas tank up. So obviously when it you want to have something like I have right here, something that's sturdy, either a jack or this is a transmission jack, and anything that holds it up works good. So you want to make sure that you hold that up. Let me get my light set up somewhere. Okay, boom. Make sure that you have something to hold this thingy up. And try not to do it when it's full, because when it's full of gas, it's a lot harder than it is right now. Right now, I literally only have about 10 bucks in there, not even 5 bucks in there, so it shouldn't be too heavy. And what you're gonna do is you wanna release it. I'm gonna start letting it down slowly. Next thing you wanna do is you wanna take your gas filler neck off right there. There's a clamp, should be right there on it. Take the clamp off. You want to get your filler neck hose off. Then out, it'll fall down evenly, because right now the back is tilting, but the front's still up. So to get that even, you want to take the filler neck off first, and then you have 2 lines right here. Red. What the heck? Where the freak did I see red at? Blue and green. Then you got your plug right here, and on this side you got another line right here. But I think it's easier to just take it off from up here where the gas tank's at, instead of taking it off from right here. It's a pain in the butt. So let me get my filler neck off real quick. Okay, so I got my filler neck off, like I told you guys. That is a pain in the butt to get off. Ew, it's still got gas in it. I don't know why, but that's the worst part of this job, if you ask me. I don't know why. I don't know what it is about that line up there, but it wants to stick on there. Oh, and here's the rain again. Anyways, so you got this line right here that I was telling you about. This one's already broke. So I'm just gonna push it in and disconnect it. Woo! That right there happens. Gas. Freaking rain, man. You got this one right here. You got your plug right here. Then you got your 2 lines over here. So this line is, I can demonstrate better on this line. So these lines, the way that you take these off, because it took me a while to figure out, is they have a clip right here. You pull that clip out in the front. Let me show you. Oh, okay, right there. See, you gotta pull that piece out. It's stupid. It's so stupid the way they did it. Pull that little clip out, and then you push this part with your thumb. So then you're gonna get this part right here, and just push it in, and it pulls right off. Yep, gas comes out of there too. See, watch how the clip comes out. I'm gonna show you, look. Just like that, the clip pulls out. You push it down and pull it right off. So now With all that being done, the line's off. Oh shoot. Okay, so unfortunately this gas tank just got a little bit heavier because I did put about $5 or $6 in yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna ease this down so that I don't drop it, because I don't need no sparks in no gas. So fairly simple. Alright, so now that we got it all down out of the car, from up under the car, everything else is pretty much simple from here. Well, this is actually a new pump. This pump is new. I changed the pump, but now it doesn't read how much gas is in the car, so I think I got to get a sending unit. So when the sending unit gets here, I guess I'll, get back on the camera and show you guys what's next, because right now there's nothing else I can do but show you guys this. So once the sending unit get here, I'll hit you guys back and we'll see what's going on next. Alright, so got the fuel pump out. That's the easy part. About to hit the ring, twist it off like normal. This is the sending unit right here. And the way you get this off is, if it ever focuses, there's two clips right here and right there. You just get a screwdriver, pop it in and pull it out. And I already put the new one in, sorry. But here's the old one right here. And with this thing, all you have to do, there's two lines. There's two lines that go in there. And they go in these holes. Mine is purple. These two purple lines, they just pop right in, and you pop the sending unit back on and this goes back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in and tighten it all up, and I guess I'll see you guys when I get it back up. Alright, so everything's back up. Screws tight. Oh, freaking lighting over here sucks. Screws tighten back up. Everything plugged in. Everything back connected. I'm gonna go ahead and take my jack down. Okay, car down off the rack. And ready to be tested to see. And again, hold on, freaking doors unlocked on me. Let me in there. So what I learned with these cars is that there's two different pumps. There's the OE pump and there's the aftermarket pump. And what we did was we tried to save our customers some money, so we put a aftermarket pump in here. And according to Cadillac, I guess, with the aftermarket pump, you should always go ahead and get the aftermarket sending unit too, because if you put the OE pump in, if you put aftermarket, because if you put a aftermarket pump in and use the OE sending unit, it won't. I guess the connection won't connect and it won't read the gas gauges. So I went up here, took the whole gas tank down, put a whole new fuel pump in it, and then come back in here, and then we don't know how much gas is in the car. So now we have that issue. So I had to go back to Cadillac, and they had to give me the aftermarket sending unit to go with the aftermarket pump. And now, for the final test, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go down, and boom. It didn't move up much, but it moved up more than it did earlier. Yes, yep, there it is. Yesterday it was directly on the 0. It wouldn't move, it stayed there. So I guess we learned a valuable lesson today. If you use aftermarket pump, use aftermarket sending unit, because it won't work. Now for the ultimate test, let's see if I can get this thing to start up. Let's see if my pump job was a success as well. First start. Starts up, which means our pump job was a success. Everything's in. I don't know what's up with this engine light. The engine light's on, but there's no codes in the computer. If somebody please know what that is, please comment down below and let me know what the heck that could be, because right now I'm clueless with that issue. But as far as everything goes, guys, I guess that's it. Not yet. That's it, guys. That's how you do a fuel pump and sending unit on a 2010. I think this is a 2010. It's either a 2010 or 2013. Let me look. Yeah, I believe it's 2010. 2010 Cadillac SRX. Start to finish, it's fairly easy. You guys seen it was nothing too hard. Anyone can do it. Obviously, a lift's a lot better than having a having to do it on the ground, so that's a plus. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I didn't get too many views on my last video of the car meet, so I'm guessing you guys don't like the car meets too much. But just FYI, that's probably going to be the new channel, because you know I like doing the tutorials, but I guess it's kind of boring to me. So I want to do something a little bit more fun. So car meets and me building my 240 and other things is going to be the new channel. So hopefully you guys are supportive of that. If not, sorry, that's the way life goes. Peace out. See you guys on the next one.